Well, the Indian Army today dismantled Trinamool Congress's protest stage near Gandhi statue at Dharmatola, where the party has been holding a sit-in demonstration since Saturday. Now, the stage was part of the TMC's recently launched language movement program. Sources say that there was permission only for 2 days for the stage. Mamata Banerjee, remember, had attacked the Modi government on the alleged insult to Bengali language, which is with regard to the protest that the TMC has undertaken on the SIR exercise. Mamata Banerjee has also said that she will not allow any disrespect to the Bangla language, and she will also not let any voter of West Bengal lose his vote. The statement from Trinamool Congress has also come, and it says, "We hold the Indian Army in highest regard. What happened at Mayo Road is not the Army's doing. BJP abused power to dismantle our Bhasha Andolan protest. They cannot stop our voice." This is what the Chief Minister of West Bengal and also TMC Chief Mamata Banerjee has said. Also saying that if the authorities are against Bengalis, if the authorities against Bengalis continue, then we will protest every day. Strong statement there from the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and this is after the Indian Army dismantled Trinamool Congress's protest stage near Gandhi statue, where the party was holding a sit-in demonstration since Saturday. My colleague Shreyasi has sent us this report.
Well, controversy has erupted between the West Bengal government and the Eastern Command of the Indian Army, where army personnel reached the Mayo Road stage where the Trinamool Congress had put up to protest against the Bengal migrant workers who were being attacked in BJP-ruled state. The army, in a statement, said that permission is usually given for 2 days, but for month-long protests, they need to seek permission from the Ministry of Defence, and that the Kolkata police was informed about the removal of the stage. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached the spot and pointed fingers at the BJP for misusing the army against the Trinamool Congress, where she vowed to only, intensify the protest against the centre and said that the venue would be changed. But of course, in the short brief of time in the afternoon, there was complete chaos at Mayo Road as the Chief Minister went in to condemn the action coming in from the army and to tell the viewers this particular area is under army's jurisdiction. They are
unconstitutional, undemocratic, unethical and misuse of BJP power. They want to use army for their own purpose. This is a sad message of the day. And that's why they don't care internal security. They don't take care border security. They don't care the external security. They only care. In Bengal, of course, All India Trinamool Congress. लेकिन जितना करेगा, इसका रिजल्ट इतना बुरा होगा.